Hi everyone, welcome to the FRC Team 604 Quicksilver's YouTube channel. Today, we will design an awesome parachute while learning about air resistance. Let's go. Now before we start, remember, safety first. Now for this experiment, you will need a plastic bag or parachute-like material, scissors, string, and a small object to act as a weight. A little action figure would be perfect. Okay, here's what you should do for this experiment. Cut out a large square from your plastic bag or material. Trim the edges so it looks like an octagon or an 8-sided shape. Now you're going to cut a small hole near the edges of each side. So one way to do this is you can bend it and then just rip a little piece like this. There, now you have a small hole. So you want to do this about 8 times around all the edges. Now next, you want to take a piece of string and you want to cut 8 equal lengths. So that's 1, and 8. The next thing you want to do is take each piece of string and tie it around the hole you marked in your parachute bag. So that should look something like this. And the final step is you want to tie all those 8 strings to your little action figure. Alright, now we have our parachute. Let's go try it out. Alright, now let's try it out. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Okay, yeah. So what happened when I released the parachute? When you release the parachute, the weight pulls down on the strings and opens up a large surface area of material that uses air resistance to slow it down. The larger the surface area, the more air resistance and the slower the parachute will drop. Cutting a small hole in the middle of the parachute will allow air to slowly pass through it rather than spilling out over one side. This should help the parachute fall straighter. With a bit of luck, your parachute will descend slowly to the ground, giving your action figure's weight a comfortable landing. Now it's your turn. Let's see how straight you can make the parachute fall. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more 604 videos. Bye!